But the first question is about which one is not required. Insulator is not required because that's related to energy saving. Second one, if you want to increase water retention in the root zone, what types of growing medium you should add? Um, so you have very large gravel, sandy, medium, fine sand, and slate, and the last one is clay. So if you want to increase water retention in the root zone, you you will need to have smaller and smaller size. Okay, so that way you can increase water retention. So you know for sure this will not be the answer because that doesn't have any retention. Sandy layer will drain very quickly. So your answer will be between C and D. So now question is, if you choose D, clay, it does have highest water retention, but it doesn't really have enough for the plants to be available. So usually the correct answer will be C. But if you write D and just say that has maximum retention, um, whether it's available for plants or not, then I'll also consider. But the correct answer will be C for plant availability. But this has clay as the maximum. So if you want to increase water drainage, what type of growing medium you should add? If your goal is just to drain, then obviously the larger size you want to add. But just know that this is highly heavy. So you can use by size, but you can replace with a gravel or the large size but lighter materials. This is just to show that where to get where when you think of sustainability, that's just for your projects. If you are working on GreenRoof, this is what you should consider. Whether any additional benefit you can get. For instance, you can put plants which can harvest food, then you can get some urban food agriculture there. You can also integrate energy by adding solar panel. The reason is, if you put solar panel on a rooftop, it's so hot that solar panel efficiency decreases. But if you have a green roof, the temperature on green roof will be very at least 3 to 5 degrees Celsius lower than the regular rooftop. So that means your solar energy efficiency, harvesting efficiency increases. So that's why a lot of times when you see a green roof on the top, you also see solar panel on the top. Then think of what materials you should add. As I said, there are a lot of plastic material. You can think of what materials that you can add, which is also sustainable, means not creating waste. The another cost is about water irrigation. How do you design such a way that you don't have to irrigate? Or if you irrigate with water that's normally waste. For instance, all the non-potable water, like everything wash hand and brush teeth and taking shower, all that water can be irrigated again. So you don't really need to buy the fresh water to do that. So these are the discussion you should think if your projects have a green roof as part of the design. I think that's all.